Grand awakening, my cancers, my water babies, positive vibes, motivation, inspiration, elevation, love, light, positive energy, goodwill, peace and healing, abundance, prosperity, and magic all your way. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe if this page has been a blessing to you. Check out my LinkTree. Book a massage with me. Check out the NFTs, the music, the ebooks. Great products are over there. Your word of the day is courage. Hey, Cancer. Are you brave enough? Are you bold enough to be yourself? You came in this world by yourself. You know, as we say, you're going to leave by yourself. No one has the same DNA. No one has the same fingerprints as you. No one has the same blueprint as you. No one has the same gifts as you. So make sure that you shine, baby, shine with your originality, and make sure you leave your mark, because we will not be here forever. But the mark that you leave shall last and create a legacy for you. I am stronger than fear and bigger than any doubt. I am light and I remain light because you're strong. I entrust God to stand tall before any tests of my life, and I grow and become wiser through every challenge, and I become a being of new life because you become stronger. You become wiser, and when you become stronger and wiser, you can channel in bigger and better blessings and maintain them because you're strong enough to keep them. Love one another. Be kind to one another. Love yourself. I love you too.